If you want to create stunning visuals like these that will elevate your map, get you more favorites, more follows, then you've come to the right place. I've seen these in quite a lot of creative maps and I decided to create them myself. I'm going to be giving them away to you for free. You just have to join my Discord server to get them. Super simple. I'll show you how to do that as well. Yeah, to get these, all you have to do is join my server, which will be linked in the description and comments. Give yourself the creator tag. Just give yourself all the tags. And it'll be in the free stuff section. Click free creator profiles, GISMO maps. And it'll give you a link to the free Patreon and the video which I'm making now. Once you're here, you just press download here. It will download, unzip it. So you right click on it and you press extract all, extract it where you want. So just go ahead and open UEFN, go click browse and choose the one we just created, the folder we just unzipped. Oh, there we go. Just open this profile card attempt. It was an attempt and it succeeded. That's what you see in the video. Right click onto background card, press migrate, just accept this. Then go into your Fortnite projects and put it in whichever one you want. You click content and then you just press select folder and that will now be in your world ready to use. But starting off, let's take a look at them. All you need to do if you want to change any of these is come into background texture, and for example, say if you want to change this background into something else, import the picture, then come into our materials tab and choose if you want to have a glint on it, and if so, choose one of the glint variations. And if you don't want glint, just choose the no glint variation. All you have to do is choose the picture you just imported and place it in, and it will work like that. With this one, for example, say you want to add in, I don't know, let's say you like glint 1, but you don't like the speed that it moves in. Just open it up. You can change the picture here again, but you change the speed on the panner. And you can change this high or low. If you put this into minus numbers, then it moves in the opposite direction. You can combine them both and have it moving in any type of way you like. To then change it inside of the profile card, just come down to element 4 and choose the one that you want. That's if you want to change it completely. For material 1, this will be obviously where it says GISMO maps. You need to go and open M card profile or create any type of material, and you can replace this picture with your own. For example, you might want a heart. Pretty simple to do. If you want to change the rest of the thing here, it's pretty easy. This first white one I think is like text color. We can change it by just typing in green. Yep, there we go. Say if you want to change this one, it's really easy to play around with. We got the glint from Asion. I'm not sure how to say his name, but we got the glint from his channel. Following his tutorial, link will be in the description to that video. And we created these texts from a site which will also be in the description. Subscribe, like the channel. Again, join Discord for the assets. Hope this is useful. If you need to know how to get these working with the creator profile, then I will have a video to that. Well, actually, you don't even need to watch the video. Basically, align it in front of this how you want it. Make sure that the creator profile is in front of it. Get it aligned correctly. Has to be in front of it, remember that. Go into static mesh and turn off visible hidden in game. And then go ahead and do the same thing in widget comp. hidden in game, and that will work. Use creator code GISMO again, subscribe, all the good stuff. Have a good one.